Hey y'all, watch as I transform this really cute plain wooden box I picked up at the Goodwill using some floral transfers from Vintage Retail Therapy. They are Prima transfers, and I didn't want to paint the box because I liked the tone of it, and these transfers and the colors that are on them, I know that they would really stand out nicely against the wood tone of the box. So using the burnishing stick that comes with your transfer, you just press it down. It's got a sticky back. You press it down and then you peel off that top backing. It's almost magical. It's extremely therapeutic in my opinion, and I love using transfers on all kinds of different projects. I wanted all four sides covered of this box, so I just cut different pieces of the larger transfer apart and laid it down where I wanted it to go. For that last little part, I grabbed another transfer, and the great thing about these transfers is that you can overlap them. It's a super seamless thing when you do that, and it works perfectly. And then to seal that transfer onto the box, I gave it one coat of matte finish Mod Podge to the entire box. And once that Mod Podge dries, it does dry completely clear, and then you know that your transfer is secure and not going anywhere. For the top, I wanted to add some decorative molding, so I got some Wood You Bend. Wood You Bend is great. It's wood products. I have it linked on my link tree, which is pinned to the top of my page here at Royal Funky Junk. And I cut them out into the dimensions of that box. And when you heat it up, it gets soft and super bendable. And I wanted it to match the wood tone of my box. So I took some color wash tint from Hobby Lobby in the color French Roast, and I gave them all a couple coats of that stain. It's super awesome to use. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it ended up being the perfect shade to match the box. I attach it with wood glue. You put some wood glue on the back of the Wood You Bend trim, press it down, give it some heat, and it really helps secure the glue. And then I did have a little bit of glue seepage out, so when I was all finished applying the Wood You Bend, I simply went over it again with one more coat of the color wash tint to make sure that it all looked good. And to really make that Wood You Bend pop on the top there, as you can see, I'm going over it with another one of my favorites, Antique Gold Rub and Buff. And it just really brightens all that detail. I went around the corners, and this box turned out so cute. You can use this for a variety of ways. Makeup brush storage, you could put it in your kitchen for spoon storage, hold your paint brushes. It's just super pretty that you can transform a simple box into a stunning work of art in just a few minutes.